Today is Saturday, January 21st. The time is 11:01 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Certified Hockey Break, break number 7. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcssportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. John Tavares, Islanders. Tim Thomas, Bruins. Martin St. Louis, Lightning. Luke Sheen, Maple Leafs. Ryan Kessler, Canucks. Mikko Koivu, Wild. Patrick Kane, Blackhawks. Flyers, Ilya Brevgolov. Stephen Wise, Panthers. Dual jersey, Rene Bourque, Flames. Serial numbered 119 out of 150. Pekka Ryan, Predators. Antti Niemi, Sharks. Evgeny Malkin, Penguins. Roberto Luongo, Canucks. Masked Marvels, Jonathan Quick, Kings. Claude Giroux, Flyers. Jonathan Quick, Kings. Sidney Crosby, Penguins. Brad Marchand, Bruins. Danielle Sedin, Canucks. Danny Briere, Flyers. Nicholas Backstrom, Capitals. Eric Johnson, Avalanche. Nicholas Backstrom, Wild. Gary Layton, Stars. Serial numbered 8 out of 25. Sam Gagner, Oilers. Eric Fair, Capitals. Pavel Datsyuk, Red Wings. Rick Nash, Blue Jackets. Freshman signatures, card number 191. Let me see if that's on the checklist. Number 191 for freshman signatures is Zach Ronaldo. I'm not sure what team that is. but it'll go out to whatever team it is. Patrick Marleau, Sharks. Jordan Eberle, Oilers. Derek Brassard, Blue Jackets. Shea Weber, Predators. Immortals, Luke Robitaille, Kings, serial numbered 193 out of 199. Sergei Kostin, Predators. Thomas Vanek, Sabres. Mike Richards, Kings. Steven Stamkos, Lightning. Craig Anderson, Senators. Shirt off my back for the Calgary Flames, Jerome Mignola and Joe Nieuwendyk. That's serial numbered 19 out of 25 and is a prime. Brendan Moreau, Stars. Marc-Andre Fleury, Penguins. Jerome Mignola, Flames. Jimmy Howard, Red Wings. Certified Champions, Mark Messier, Rangers. Brad Richards, Rangers. And the last pack, Erik Karlsson, Senators. Andrej Pavlec, Jets. Jonathan Taves, Blackhawks. Thomas Pleknik, Canadiens. Immortals, Jersey. Guy Lafleur, Nordiques, so Avalanche. Jordan Staal, Penguins. If you guys check out my other box breaks for hockey, 2011-2012, I have another certified as well as an artifacts. And if anyone's interested in hockey, in football, you will see a bunch of football breaks.